Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you what you can do when your Soundpeats Trueair2 working only one. Okay, for example, if your earbud is only working on the right side and the left side you cannot hear anything from it. So first of all you need to disconnect the Bluetooth from your smartphone, and after that you need to do hard reset with this earbud. So now I disconnect the Bluetooth from my smartphone. That means I need to forget all the history that we connect on it. So now just press setting and forget that Bluetooth device, forget device, and now we turn it off. After that, input both earbuds to your earbuds box. Okay, after you see the red light is always on display with both earbuds, and now just press and hold that button together about 10 seconds. Okay, until you can see the blinking light of it. That means now your earbud is already reset. So after that, do not turn on your smartphone Bluetooth yet. Just take out both earbuds from the box and allow it to pair each other first. Okay, first of all you will see the both blinking. Okay, after it connect to each other, you will see one is blinking red light and another one is always on with the white lights. That means this one is the main earbud and this one is the connected earbud. So now you can try to connect with your smartphone after the earbuds is already connected to each other. So I believe this time you will get both devices workable. Okay, after turning on, you will see Soundpeats Trueair, and this one is the second headphone. So all you need to do just connect to the Soundpeats Trueair2, pair it. Okay, after connect, you will see both earbuds are showing the white light always on display. Okay, now I already test with some music. They both work well with left and right earbud. So now I hope this video will help you to solve your problem with your Soundpeats Trueair2 Bluetooth earbud that working only one. And now thanks for your time watching this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. And now bye bye and have a nice day.